This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today, we're going to stick with the old energy theme. We're going to go and take a look here at the ETF XLE for big oil and UGA for gasoline. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, market ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the XLE, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, I posted this here many times here. Just an absolute beautiful run up right here off this nice double bottom all the way on up here, looking really nice. Now, again, today, look at the breakout, new high again. Okay, so let's just look here at the upside and then we'll look at the downside. Okay, so what we have here, first of all, is we want to look at this candle right here, okay? This one here is 93.31. Okay, so what you really need to do is, even though it's 93.54 right now, you need to hold this candle here on the closing basis. That is going to be key. Now, if you can get above that, well, then we have this 94.71. That's going to be the nice big target. Okay, now if you can close above this 94.71, well, Hondo, here we come. You'd be headed right for the 100 mark with not a problem. So what we want to do here? Well, now you want to always look at what is going to be on the downside. Okay, so what you want to look at here is you want to look at this 91.91. That is your 8 SMA here. And then what we can do is you can just follow these candles right on down here, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go 91.65 on this candle here. You got 90.47. But what I want you to see here is this candle right here, okay? This is sitting at 89.88. That's your gap. And right here is your fill. That's at 89.34, okay? So 89.88, 89.34. That is your gap and your fill. And then we have here 89.60, basically coming off right there in the center of it here. But always watch gaps and fills here if this sells off. Now, this is actually looking here, it's very bullish here, has been very bullish here. But if you're going to catch my videos here after the pit close, I'm going to have seasonality videos on crude oil and natural gas. And I'll show you the time that we're right now, yeah, you're rallying hard, but eventually everything's going to sell off. Now, when you look at this RSI here, well, you got to look at right here, and then you look at here so far, you got a negative divergence going on here, okay? So unless this RSI can come back and beat on top of this one here, okay, you got a negative divergence. So always be very, very leery of those divergences. Watch the RSI here. Your MACD still looks very, very good. So we got to see how it all shakes out. Now, here on your weekly chart, well, you know, you're looking really good. But watch that 8 SMA here, and then you can come all the way down to your 50 SMA here, your 21 SMA here. But right now, it's very, very bullish. The key is going to be on the upside is a close above this 94.71. If you can, boom, you're headed towards the 100 mark. All right, let's look at the gasoline ETF UGA. Okay, here we are, UGA. Now you can see the same thing happening right here. Broke right above here. You need to close above this 75.39. Your high today so far, 76.08. Very good, but you need to close above that. Okay, now again, on the downside, if this sells, we just watch these candles right here, okay? So you're looking at 74.17 here. You have 73.51. Okay, that there is your gap, 73.51. And then right here, look at the high, 73.39. There's your gap. There's your fill. Always watch those. Okay, above that here, you got 73.59, and then 71.88. 70.48, and then your big retest here at 68.84. Now, if this can rally up here and close above this key candle right here, okay, that basically 75.39, if you can close that, here's your target right here, $80.29 here on gasoline, okay? So, again, but it has to close above that key price channel here to get to there. Now, again, if you can get above the 80.29, well, then you can just rock it up higher, towards maybe towards the 85, maybe even the 90 area. But let's not get too excited. Now, on the downside on the weekly here, Well, we want to look here at this key level right here, your 8 SMA. That's going to be key level, and then we can come right down to these support levels right here. You're looking at 68.84, and then below that you have your 21-day, and then we have your 50-day, and then you have your 100-day. But right now it looks very bullish. However, always watch gasoline. Okay, this time of the year. Now you're having big builds here on those EIA reports here, so be very careful if you're trading gasoline. I always buy this here, usually end of January, February, something like that here. So I get that run up. That's the key is, and you want to have that run up. That's what you're kind of, you're looking for. So let's just recap here. Watch this key price channel here, 75, 39. If it can close above that here today, then 80.29 is your target. Now, one more thing I want to say about the XLE. Just remember that pays about a 3.5% dividend. And has all the big stuff in there, Exxon Mobil's, it's got the Chevron, Schlumberger, you name it, everything is in there. So it's really like a one-stop shopping if you want to trade big oil. All right, thanks for watching.